Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 17th August. Let's start. In the year of 1836, on this day registrations related to birth, marriage and death were accepted in the British Parliament. In the year of 1858, on this day the first bank was opened in the Hawaiian Islands. In the year of 1859, on this day letters were sent for the first time via a hot air balloon. In the year of 1908, on this day, the first fully animated film, Phantasmagoria, was made by Emily Kohal. In the year of 1909, on this day, Madanlal Dhingra was hanged in Penton Valley prison for the murders of Baili and Lal Kaka. In the year of 1916, on this day, Amritlal Nagar, most famous as a novelist in the literary world, was born. In the year of 1941, on this day, the East German government completed the work on the Berlin Wall. In the year of 1947, on this day, the boundary line between India and Pakistan was not determined till 15 August. This was decided by the announcement of the Radcliffe Line on 17th August 1947. In the year of 1947, on this day, after India's independence, the first British military contingent left for home. In the year of 1949, on this day, Pulin Bihari Das, the great freedom lover and revolutionary, passed away. In the year of 1961, on this day, Anamika, a well-known Hindi language poetess, was born. In the year of 1978, on this day, three Americans crossed the Atlantic Ocean in a hot air balloon. In the year of 1982, on this day, the first CD was made available to the public in Germany. In the year of 1987, on this day, Rudolf Hess, considered close to German dictator Adolf Hitler, was found dead in prison. In the year of 1988, on this day, Pakistan's President Zia-ul Haq and US Ambassador Arnold Rafael were killed in a plane crash. In the year of 1999, on this day, at least 1,000 people died in a severe early morning earthquake in the Turkish industrial city of Izmit, in which there was heavy damage to property. In the year of 2002, on this day, Russia denied the Dalai Lama a visa to visit his country. In the year of 2004, on this day, liberal politician Leonel Fernandez is sworn in as the new president of the Dominican Republic. In the year of 2005, on this day, the whole of Bangladesh was shaken by bomb blasts with about 400 explosions in 63 districts. In the year of 2008, on this day, American swimmer Michael Phelps creates history by winning 8 gold medals in swimming at the Beijing Olympic Games. In the year of 2009, on this day, a one-day conference of all the chief ministers of the country on the issue of internal security was organized in New Delhi under the chairmanship of Prime Minister Manmohan Singh. In the year of 2020, on this day, musical legend Pandit Jasraj passed away in New Jersey, United States. In his 80-year-long career, Pandit Jasraj was honored with several honors including Padam Shri, Padam Bhushan and Padam Bhushan. In the year of 2020, on this day, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs had launched the Tribal Health and Nutrition portal Swasthya and the e-newsletter Alek on Health and Nutrition. The ministry had also announced the opening of the National Overseas Portal and the National Tribal Fellowship Portal. In the year of 2020, on this day, an Innovation Challenge Fund worth €3 million was launched in India by the Government of the United Kingdom. The newly launched fund was aimed at supporting research and development proposals to address the challenges faced by the economy and environment by the COVID-19 pandemic. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.